Fix 1. Turn off and on your iPhone. If your iPhone has a minor software glitch, you can effectively fix it with a simple reboot. This is usually effective in resolving various minor issues. Fix 2. Keep your carrier settings up to date. Go to Settings, General, About. If updated carrier settings are available, it will automatically show up. Fix 3. Reinsert your SIM card. An incorrectly inserted SIM card may cause your iPhone to not recognize the card, resulting in a persistent search message. Check to see if there is dust causing poor connection. Fix 4. Disable and then enable airplane mode. This is the way that I use the most. Airplane mode acts as a disconnect point for all network connections on iPhone, including Wi-Fi and cellular networks. Turning this option on and off may help reconnect iPhone to your carrier. Fix 5. Reset network settings. Incorrect settings can cause a variety of problems and may even cause your iPhone to be stuck in a permanent network search. Here is how to reset these network settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and navigate to General, Reset. Find and select the Reset Network Settings option to initiate the reset. Fix 6. Erase your iPhone. This is the last fix you can try if all the fixes above are not working. Erasing helps you reset everything on your iPhone, including all the glitches. But this fix needs you to back up your iPhone beforehand. Phone Tool can easily back up, erase, and then restore your iPhone. Within one tool you can get it done. It's totally free. Next, I'll show you how to use it. If you think it useful, please find the link to download it in the description. Run Phone Tool, click Phone Backup and choose Full Backup, click Start Backup. In the backup history you can restore your iPhone later. Click Toolbox and choose Erase All Data. After confirming, click Start Erase. Phone Tool is an all-in-one iPhone management tool. It can easily backup, erase, and restore data. It also supports WhatsApp data transfer, HEIC to JPG converting, similar photo duplication, and more. Hit the link in the description to download the free version of Phone Tool to try it. Thanks for watching till here. I'll see you in the next 2 videos. And don't forget to subscribe to us. If you have any questions or issues, please leave comments or email us.